welcome to our channel
A1 Dicks.
which is actually a fusion of our names. Like it has K in it, which is for like K-pop, I guess. I
Yeah.
don't know. But her name is Santwana and my name is Dia. So K1 Dicks. The X at the end is because people use random letters to make it look aesthetic. So we wanted to do that too. So yeah, today we are just walking around. We're gonna show you what we did. We forgot to film the intro, so we're doing that right now. So we're both 16 right now and we hope to see this video like later.
10 years down the line.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. What are we doing now?
Waiting for food.
Yeah, we ordered chicken nuggets.
And milkshake. Kit Kat milkshake.
Yeah, so we're waiting for that.
Look at my cool drink.
Yeah, bro.
It looks so good.
I swear. Where do you get it from?
Commercial.
Ooh, that's
I troubled my parents so much in these past days. You know, when I was like, where should I go? And he's like,
Yeah.
go to movie. She's like, go to some fancy restaurant. I told my parents, let's go to commercial before that.
Yeah.
Okay. And then when I said all of this, they're like, why do you only want to have excuses to spend money? We'll go to commercial.
Oh my god.
Oh, fit check.
Wait, hold on. Fit check.
Oh my god, wait. Look at that.
Yeah, look at her like waistband. Yeah. It's more of a belt though. It's like a waist belt. So guys, we just got our food. Yeah, so this is our food. Wait. So we both got milkshakes and then that's our chicken nugget. So we're done eating and drinking.
After dropping the phone.
Yeah, we were trying to record us eating and yapping, but that didn't work out because my phone kind of fell.
Claw clip fell.
Yeah, my claw clip fell. So my phone fell as well. Luckily, it didn't fall on the ground. So yeah, anyways, now we're going to the clubhouse to play billiards. So yeah, see you. My god. So, oh my god,
Holy.
the lighting is amazing. Wait. So basically, we're disappointed because other people are playing billiards.
So we're going back home.
Yeah. And then what are we gonna do? We're gonna waste some time and then maybe come back.
After you change, because you didn't want to wear this.
It's like this fit is not eating, guys. Now we're just waiting for the lift to come.
How does this not have front camera?
I
Back
swear,
camera,
bro.
whatever it is.
iPhone 15 is useless. Okay.
Don't buy it.
Don't buy iPhone 15 like me. Buy iPhone 17, but not iPhone 17 Pro because it's garbage.
Yeah.
Exercising. Oh my god, like the lighting is so good.
Too beautiful.
It's really beautiful and we're just taking a walk right now.
Yes.
Look, her fit is literally eating, guys.
I swear.
It's literally eating.
Finally got to wear this.
Yes. Oh my god, my hair looks so brown and your hair does too. I love how brown it looks. I actually want to dye my hair.
This is amazing angle. Oh my god.
We should actually take pictures.
Yes,
We're gonna
let's take
stop.
pictures.
Going home because I want to change.
Better fit, guys. Aesthetic matters.
Yeah. Guys, so I just put on some lip gloss. I changed my fit into this like pink tank that I wore
Awesome fit.
for Dishita's birthday.
Oh right.
Yeah.
The bathtub day.
Yeah, the bathtub day. Anyways, so
We should add the picture of the bathtub. We're gonna add
yeah. Don't worry. Do you want to tell everyone what's happening?
Oh my god. So I tried saving Dia's life but got into trouble myself.
First, tell them about how you sneaked out.
Okay, first of all, I'm not supposed to be here. I told my mom that Dia didn't get tickets for Play Arena. So she's like, let's just meet up at my apartment. And my mom allowed. That never happens.
Her mom allowed. Her
My
mom.
Dishita's parents didn't allow.
Yeah.
By the way, my parents think I'm here with Dishita.
Yeah.
And her dad dropped us. And her dad is going to pick us up. But guess what? I came here in an auto. Spent my own money. Snuck over here. Just for the plot.
Just for the plot, guys. Always do it for the plot.
Always. Anyways, so now I try saving Dia's life from this torture called Alex. Guess what? Now my parents are going to talk to her dad. And I'm probably going to get screwed after they get to know that I'm here alone.
Yeah, and that she came in an auto.
Shit.
So
I'm
like,
freaking
she's
out.
very.
But it's fine.
It's fine.
We'll come to that when we face it. We should enjoy now.
By the way, my mom looked at how I'm dressing and how she's dressing, and then she thought we were gonna like sneak out of here or some shit. and go
I thought
to.
we were going to go on Hassa Road.
Yeah,
What is even
bro.
there?
There's nothing in Hostel.
Flower
trust me.
markets?
Yeah, bro. We can buy flowers and stuff for our boyfriends.
Yeah, bro. I'll get it for you though. 'Cause
Yeah. Neither of us have boyfriends, by the way. We're single. Actually, we're not. We have each other.
Yes. Wifey.
Exactly. That's. Yeah.
Wifey reminds me of my chem teacher. You know, my chem teacher posted a video on YouTube of his
After-
wifey.
Oh my god. After he screwed her.
He screwed me because I didn't get my chem notes. So gay. He put a video of his wifey dancing on Dilbar Dilbar. I was dying. And then he also posted a shot with his wifey on
Oh,
what
I
was
saw.
that song? Rata Lambya.
Oh damn.
He's never smiled till then, by the way.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, and he like almost caught her day before
Oh my God.
yesterday. Actually, he saw her. Actually,
Yeah.
he caught her bunking class
He was stuffing food in his mouth and he saw me bunking class.
with me, of course.
We're always bunking class, by the way. We're never in class.
The one time she decided to be in class, she got screwed for not writing her chemistry notes.
Oh my god. That time I attended a chemistry class after 3 months. The last time I attended was in July or August.
And by the way, it's October now.
Yeah. And after that, we bunked like 3 periods because we have only 4 periods by the way.
Yeah. We have like CBSE days and Allen days. On Allen days, we started bunking. CBSE days, we to bunk the whole day.
We go to school just for staying down.
Yeah, and then my mom says I don't have enough vitamin D, but like I'm literally down the whole time. There's no way I have vitamin D deficiency.
It's just Bangalore issues.
I probably have iron deficiency.
Oh right. Too much hair fall there.
Yeah, too much hair fall. I shouldn't leave it
Barely
open.
anything.
Yeah, I shouldn't leave it open because like there's more hair fall that way.
But it's
But,
fine.
Yeah. Oh my god, my nails look horrible.
I never get to grow my nails.
Yeah, her dad just makes her cut it.
I got screwed yesterday for it, so I have to cut it tomorrow. Oh, I can't cut it tomorrow because it's Monday. I'm gonna get more screwed tomorrow.
Why?
I don't cut my nails on Monday because I was born on a Monday.
Even I was born on a Monday.
I don't know, I'm not allowed to.
Damn.
We are not allowed to cut nails on Thursday also, but I'm shameless. I literally have chicken on Thursday every other day.
Yes.
My
We had
parents-
chicken today.
Right,
We had
chicken nuggets.
Nuggets, yeah.
There's some song, no?
Oh
Oh, there was chicken noodles with never mind. But there's some nuggets song also. Before anything, the most important part, Dia's mom loves me and my mom loves her. This needs to be on the video.
Yeah, bro. So we're gonna talk about our 10th grade Seva trip. Even though it was more than a year ago, we were jobless.
Yeah. It was on August 2nd, no?
Yeah, August 2nd, and like I got dengue before that, so I was
got dengue?
almost.
I got dengue.
Oh, yeah, and I almost didn't come on that trip, but I did at the end. I don't remember anything about Seva except we were like super drunk,
Super high.
super high on the second day.
And we made this song. What was it?
We did.
We fused the song basically.
Oh yeah, I've
Up
been
in a way, right?
up in a.
Have you seen my?
We're in public, by the way.
Oh,
Kind
the
of.
original song is Have you seen my boyfriend?
It was like viral that time.
Oh, we kept singing this in the art period, I remember it.
Oh yeah.
Speaking of which, the art teacher, her name is Sahana, she sent me a follow request and started liking my stories.
Oh my
I
god.
have never listened to her class. I've never done anything in her class except for laughing with this bitch.
She hates us. She hates us so much. We were what were we doing during her class?
Laughing.
Yeah,
and
we were-
singing.
yeah.
Up in a badass girl.
And like she got so pissed at us because we never did any of our work, and we're the only people
Yeah.
who are shameless enough to like skip everything and do nothing in her
Our
class.
whole book is empty. We should show our art book someday. It has nothing, by the way. Oh wow, the sky looks so good.
I swear.
Anyways, yes.
Okay, so what else? Wait, that's my hair's house.
Damn, this first
First
one.
floor, yeah.
Damn.
That's nice.
That, by the way. Oh my god, shit. Anyways, yeah, so we were trying to annoy Dishita on Seva. She was
Oh.
naked that. Oh! We went to rain dance, and when we came back, Dishita was the last one to come out of the washroom or something. And we both were like wet on the bed, acting high.
Yeah.
We were trying to sing songs with
We're
different
trying to
accents.
dry up our- Hey, we can't mention that. This is going on YouTube.
Right. We shouldn't.
There's only crazy ass people recording here and walking.
But we did. Oh, We were so scared. You remember Shri Sahiti, how she vanished from the bed?
I almost peed my
Oh my god, can we talk about real people names on YouTube? What if they find our video?
I doubt
Oh my god, that'd be so cool. Like imagine Tanvi sees our video.
Who's
We made
Tanvi?
Tanvi the one who danced and who got to dispose of
Oh my god, right.
Yeah.
Barbie.
Barbie. Oh,
Yeah.
that reminds me, there was this girl called Parvati in our class and she didn't have clothes. So Tanvi is dying. Anyways, so Tanvi told that to her on her face. Do you not have clothes? She wore the same thing for 3 days. And she gave me such a bad, what was it? Hair serum.
Oh.
It was supposed to make my hair less frizzy. Made it 10 times worse.
We finished the entire bottle of the serum, by the way.
It smelled so disgusting. What was it? Livon, ka golden one.
I have the pink one.
Even I have the pink one. Pink one smells good.
Yeah, I like the pink one. Always buy a pink Livon, guys.
For frizz free.
Yeah. By the way, we forgot to do an intro. Let's do
Alright.
the intro right now, cause. So wait, we're thinking about things that have happened to us this year because we shouldn't be talking about last year's shit in 10th.
Here?
Now we go here.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start. What do you have?
The biggest thing that happened this year is I got a MacBook.
Yes.
When was it? 29 September.
Ooh, I got my iPhone 15. I switched from my iPhone 6 to iPhone 15 on like 20
How many years?
Oh, but that phone is like 11 years old or some shit. I don't know. But I got this on like 22nd September or something like that.
Oh, my mom just messaged. What is she saying? Let's see. Kete bele asibu ame ghare achu. That translates to when will you come? We're at home.
Oh, okay. When are you going home though? Oh shit, it's 6. What time do you have to go?
I told her 6:30. What
Oh
if
my
I'm
God.
like I'll come at 7?
Yeah.
Huh? Should I actually tell that?
Yeah.
मैंने milkshake ଆଉ chicken nuggets ଖାଇବାକୁ ଆସିଛୁ. ହଁ ତା ମା ବାପା walk କରୁଛନ୍ତି.
This is round 2 of us going
To play billiards.
Yeah.
I really hope it's free.
This is our fit check, second time, bro. We finally got it. Luckily, no one else is playing this time. And
Hi guys.
oh shit, I'm sorry, I didn't record that right. But anyways, we got stuff. I don't know how to play. I don't think she does either. But like she knows more than I do, so that's like fine.
I found how to arrange the balls online.
Yes.
Now we're
So
gonna arrange the balls.
yeah, and I'll probably do like a time lapse or some shit. Oh my god, look at these chairs. I'll keep my phone here or something. No, that's horrible. Make a deal with God, and I'm ready to swap our places. We run up that road, we run up that hill. Oh, by the way, Stranger Things is coming out next month, but by the time we watch this again, Stranger Things will be like pretty old-ish. Yeah. I mean, Stranger Things can never get old, but still. So she's doing the setup and all because I don't know shit. Guys, we're still figuring out how this works.
Did I do it? No, it's right. Okay, guys, I did it somehow.
She did it. Oh my god.
Now we're gonna play. How do I keep this?
Oh my god, this is so cool. This is a dirty kapda. Oh, the chalk thingy.
Here.
Yeah, that's the chalk thingy. Oh fuck. I'm pretty sure you rub this thing on it.
Yeah. So fit, guys.
Yes, guys, the fit.
So ready for playing billiards.
Yeah, this is the fit I need for billiards.
Oh my god, yes.
Oh my god.
Look at her. Ready to bend over.
Oh my god. Guys, I accidentally hit the 8 ball and we were looking for it, okay?
It fell down.
Yeah, it literally fell down there. Like, how the hell did it fall from here to there? It's like hilarious.
I swear.
Anyways, the game is basically over.
Because she got it in, but we're just gonna ignore that
And
just
play.
play the ball.
Yeah, she got ball in hand, so yeah.
Yes, we're done playing.
Yes, we had an amazing time. playing.
And we took
did
amazing pictures.
Yeah, we took amazing pictures with the 8-ball.
PFP update, guys.
Yeah.
There's this bitch who's behind me to change my PFP.
Yeah,
She'll
you
finally
did
be
definitely
silent.
not remember that.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
Now we just have to like lock up the place and then leave.
Yes.
I'll have to drop Santwana home.
Right.
Okay,
Oh, we
come
can
on,
record in the car.
Yeah. Now.
Bye-bye. Riya was locking it. She locked it like that.
Yeah.
With
so,
one handle.
So anyone can like enter through the other door, but like I'm thoda sa dumb, guys.
It's fine. All of us are.
Yeah. So guys, we are officially done with our amazing day.
Yes.
And I think we're gonna end our vlog. We might just
I'll start
add-
this time.
Yeah. We're gonna go in the car, so we're gonna record in the car.
And get red light pictures.
Yeah,
From the
we're,
traffic.
yeah, we're gonna do that. We're probably gonna film.
Film.
Film,
Okay.
whatever. And I don't think we can really film an outro that time. So that's why we're doing it right now, as we're walking home.
Bye, guys.
So bye.